you ready to revolutionize your plate? Because today, we're diving into the ultimate diabetes meat guide, a delicious roadmap to protein-packed options that won't send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. Forget bland and boring. These meats are not just diabetic-friendly, they're downright tasty and packed with health benefits. First on the list, let's talk about chicken breast. This lean protein is a superstar for diabetics. Low in fat, high in protein, and practically carb-free, chicken breast keeps you full without spiking your blood sugar. Grilled, baked, or roasted, it's as versatile as it is healthy. Next up, meat turkey, chicken's equally lean and flavorful cousin. Turkey breast, especially, is a fantastic choice. Rich in protein and loaded with vitamins like B6, it helps regulate blood sugar while supporting overall energy levels. Thanksgiving dinner, anyone? But let's not forget fish, specifically fatty fish like salmon. It's not just about the protein here. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help fight inflammation and improve heart health, a key concern for diabetics. Pan-seared or baked with herbs, salmon is a culinary delight and a health boost in every bite. On the white fish side, cod is a great choice. Light, flaky, and mild in flavor, cod is another low-fat, high-protein option that won't mess with your blood sugar levels. Pair it with some roasted veggies, and you've got yourself a balanced meal. Let's bring beef into the conversation, but here's the catch stick to lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin. These cuts are lower in saturated fat and provide essential nutrients like zinc and iron, which support overall health. Just remember, portion control is key. Don't sleep on pork, specifically pork tenderloin. It's a lean, protein-rich option that's surprisingly low in fat. Whether it's roasted with garlic or grilled to perfection, pork tenderloin is a satisfying and diabetic-friendly addition to your menu. Last, but certainly not least, let's give it up for eggs. Okay, technically not meat, but hear me out. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein, vitamins, and healthy fats, all while having zero impact on your blood sugar. Scrambled, poached, or boiled, they're a versatile choice for any meal of the day. But here's the golden rule. Preparation matters. Steer clear of deep frying or slathering these meats in sugary sauces. Opt for grilling, baking, or steaming to keep things healthy and delicious. So, what's the takeaway? These 7 options prove you don't have to sacrifice flavor or satisfaction when managing diabetes. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish, along with occasional servings of lean beef and pork, offer a world of variety while keeping your blood sugar stable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And make sure to check out our other videos packed with tips to help you live your best, healthiest life. Because managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up good food, it just means making smarter choices. See you next time.